I'm back with another video, and in today's video we have a Lenovo laptop. This one is a Lenovo 320-15ABR model, also known as an 80Xs series. And in this video I'm going to show you guys how to open it up, how to just take it apart, and how to replace your battery for this model. If your battery is not holding up any more charge or is running out quickly or is not even charging, this video is for you on how to replace your battery. This applies for any Lenovo 320-15 series, so it doesn't have to be the exact model. This is pretty much for any 320 model. Alright, first thing first, let's keep this video really short. All you need to do first is to power off the laptop, grab yourself the spare battery if you found it, but purchase it first. Then you want to grab your screwdriver set. I use the UFIXTEK tool set always. They have the best bits out there. We're going to use a Phillips #1 from this screwdriver set. You will need an opening tool. You can get the Pro version set, which they will include you with an opening tool and some tweezers and everything else. Or just grab this one and go ahead and find yourself a guitar pick. A metallic guitar pick are really suitable to opening electronics. Next, with all this on hand, all you need to do is to start removing all the screws on the bottom cover. All the screws are the same size and height, so don't worry about mismatching them. So go ahead and start from one corner and remove all the screws. Keep them in one pile. I realize also there's only 1% of my viewers are subscribed to the channel. If you guys find my content helpful and helping you guys out, you can support the channel and support me by clicking the like button and subscribing to the channel. I would really appreciate it, and it will be a great motivation for me to make more videos, take requests, and answer your comments and help you guys out. Alright, once all the screws are removed, all you need to do is to remove the tray for the DVD drive right here. Just slide it out. And you want to open up the laptop in 45-degree angle, just a little bit. And you want to grab yourself a guitar pick, and you want to stick the guitar pick between the top and the bottom cover, just like that. And now what you want to do, you just want to twist it outward and a little bit, and you want to hear a few clicks, and that's all you want to hear, those snapping points. Do all the front side, walk yourself towards the side on the left and right side, all the way back corner, and do the I/O side slowly. Once you get to the back corner, you should feel the cover coming out. Just close down the lid and bring it. Now, this is very important that you grab it from where the DVD drive is on this side in the front end. Just lift it up, lift out the back corner here, just wiggle it around, and you want to push it towards the I/O side. So you want to push it there, so in order to release all the plastic under the USB ports. Otherwise, you would have been snapping out the ports. Once you're down here, and the battery should be right in front of you, I have it the other way around. The battery, the model for this battery is an L16M2PB1. That's the model for the battery. I'll try to find the links for this one, and I'll leave it in the video description. Again, before we disconnect the jack, we're going to remove the 4 screws. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Remove the 4 screws for the battery. Again, the screws are the same size and height. So go ahead and remove these 4 screws. Once you remove the screw, just simply grab the battery, bring it up, and pull it back towards the front end of the laptop gently, and the jack will release. They will not cause any stress on the cables, but the jack is really weak to pull. So you can just see the cables, it didn't even go straight. They just came out. They're really hard cables. Alright, once you remove the battery, even let's say that your battery is there, so pretty much who cares about this? Anyway, once you got the new battery in, all you need to do is to align first the cable straight like this, and make sure facing the jack down here. You don't want to align the screw holes. And then you want to push it inside the jack, just pinch them together right there, and then you worry about aligning the battery on the screw holes. Just align it right there, and then all you need to do is just grab the screws, put them right beside it, and screw it down. Also, it's very, very important that you guys, before you turn on the laptop, leave it charging for at least 6 hours before powering it on. So the battery that it came from the warehouse, wherever it was stored, so it can get fully charged before you actually start sucking voltage through this battery. So you need to fully charge it for 8 to 12 hours, I would say. So that's the safest thing. Once you finish down here, just grab the bottom cover, bring it over. First, you need to align the USB port I/O side down. You want to scoop this one right under this port. So bring it down in 45-degree angle. Bring it down, scoop it right under there, and hold it down, and then release the back side and just snap down, push down on the side. You should hear a few clicks under the DVD in front of the laptop. Just click, snap. And the last thing is to just slide down the DVD drive and smack down on the back cover all the screws that you remove at the bottom cover. Again, I hope this video helped you guys to replace your battery for your Lenovo 320-15AR model. If it did, please click that like button and think about subscribing if you want to support the channel. If you guys have any question or requests, feel free to leave them in a video comment. As I always, try to answer them as soon as I can. Again, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. I'm just gonna finish up putting up the screw on the bottom, and that should be all.